Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. What's up, drone fans? Today we're putting the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro side by side with the DJI Mini 4K to see what's worth the upgrade and whether the fancy new features are really game changers. Design. Starting with design, the Mini 5 Pro clocks in at approximately 249.9 grams, staying just under the 250-gram mark, which is crucial for lighter regulations in many places. The Mini 4K is also under that threshold. The 5 Pro has a folded size of 157 by 95 by 68 millimeters, making it very compact. For the Mini 4K, exact folded dimensions for height/width/thickness aren't as clearly published, but it too is highly portable. Operating temp for the 5 Pro runs from -10 to 40 degrees Celsius. The Mini 4K doesn't have all environmental specs published in the sources checked. Performance. Flight time is one of the biggest upgrades. Mini 5 Pro offers 36 minutes and up to 52 minutes with the Plus battery. The Mini 4K gives around 31 minutes max in ideal conditions. The distance harness range is better on the 5 Pro too, because of improved battery options and efficiency. Both support intelligent flight modes like quick shots, panorama, smart takeoff/return modes, though the 5 Pro adds more advanced obstacle sensing. Return to home is present on both, but the 5 Pro can do it more safely in tougher conditions because of better sensors. Cameras. The Mini 5 Pro delivers a major camera bump, a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and supports 4K video up to 120 frames per second. The Mini 4K, by comparison, has a more modest 1/2.3-inch sensor and shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, which is fine for many uses, but won't match the 5 Pro in detail or slow motion needs. Battery. Battery type for both is Li-ion. With a flight battery you can swap. The 5 Pro spells out its charge times, approximately 69 minutes for standard battery via a 65-watt charger, better with hub, plus battery takes longer, and the Plus version gives more flight time. For the Mini 4K, flight time is known approximately 31 minutes, but official specs for charge time or battery power in watt hours are less clear in the sources I checked. More. Internal storage is a standout for the 5 Pro, 42 gigabytes built-in plus micro SD expansion. Mini 4K supports micro SD too, but internal storage either isn't present or is minimal/not clearly stated. GPS/GNSS support is standard on both. Remote controllers are included with both drones. DJI RCN3 or RCN1 variants depending on bundle. Gyroscope and stabilization are standard on both as well. Show.